How to print and download PDF invoices. With TaxDome, you can easily create custom invoices for your firm without needing any additional third-party software. When you send an invoice, your client will receive an email with the PDF invoice attached. All the information you included will be displayed there. They'll also receive a notification on their home page. By clicking it, the invoice will open, and they can either print or download it as a PDF using the available links. The same options appear if a document is locked to an invoice. Once the client pays the invoice, the PDF version will display a red stamp indicating that it has been successfully paid. You can download or print the invoice either from the Invoices page or directly from the client's Invoice tab. If you want to customize your invoices, go to Settings, Billing. Here, you can set your preferences and toggle firm information or custom fields on or off. From a design perspective, you can adjust the layout, logo size, accent color, and line items. For this example, we'll make a few changes. Once finished, click the Preview button. On your screen, you'll see the original version on the left and the customized version on the right.